Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, a stronger US inflationary number come out overnight, and it was much stronger than anticipated of 0.8, from expecting a 0.2%. From that, the US dollar has surged, pushing the Australian dollar further to the downside and takes out the level of 77.80 and reaches its objective of 77.20, and now pressures this level after posting a low around 77.05, but slightly showed a modest rebound from that oversold intraday level. Nevertheless, given from the technicals breaking down and the RSI married up, or vice versa, MACD married up to the RSI, could see a move down towards this region that was recently challenged around 76.75. In light of the pattern, I say that the bears are still with the Australian dollar and the bulls are pushing for the US, which means that if we look at this pattern here, is that we are, for the euro, looking down towards that 119.60 level after the recent rejection or the failed attempt on 121.80.90. And with the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, holding very well at the moment after its rebound from yesterday, could see the euro drop and reassess from this level from 119.60. Dollar yen, since recovering off that 108.45 level, it's back to the top side of the range, seen around 109.90 to 110.10. It is anticipated that the may find a bearish ambush from that region of the top side and see a move back to that 108.45 level, given from the weak technical implications. Still a little bit mixed on the pound since the rejection around that 141 overnight, but if we get a close under 140, which is only a handful of points away, around 47, then we could see the downside reinstated and look towards this region, which is around 138, taking it in baby steps due to the fact that the technicals have been quite bullish for some time, but now starting to buckle after the recent strength of the US dollar. That would mean that sterling yen may actually buckle near that 39-month highs around that 154, 155 area. And we are extremely overbought in all time frames. So I do expect to see a pullback very soon, back to that 152, if the pound can close under 140. Gold rejects that top side again at 1,843.6 as the US dollar strengthens and now looks back to the level of 1,812. Now, a close under there would reinstate the downside to around that 1,760.80 area, which is at this point looking very favorable. Finishing off with oil, well, the bull trend is still there from a weekly, and you can still see that the market is somewhat holding to that upside test, but I feel closer towards that $67 a barrel for West Texas will fail. Keep an eye on this trend because it does come in a little bit higher now from 62.40 up to 62.70. Let's see if the market can rebound again, but keep an eye on these technicals because they are buckling a little. So although the broader picture is a little bit stronger, the intraday is actually a little bit weaker. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.